It's that time of year again. 'Tis the season for parties, overnight guests to come together and celebrate. This video is sponsored by Hoover. Hoover is having their own pop-up party on their website at hoover.com, where the fun never stops. Lots of different deals and bundles that are always changing, so make sure to stay up to date on the newest party favor they are offering throughout the holiday months. Since we'll all be hanging outside mostly, I'll be giving our guest bathroom and our kitchen a deep clean. After removing everything out of its usual spot, I'll dust by starting from the top, working my way down to the bottom, dusting my walls, tops of my shelves, my light bulbs and fixtures, everything. You don't have to deep clean your home from top to bottom, especially if you're short on time, but bathrooms are definitely a must. There's benefits to doing this before your guests arrive. It will make you feel more confident in your home, which means you'll feel more relaxed. Next, I'll vacuum. I like to do this before mopping because if you don't, it's a nightmare picking up wet hairs and dust bunnies. I'm using the Hoover 1-Power Blade and cordless stick vacuum that I love. I love it because I'm cordless free and I can clean anywhere, anytime. It's just zip through the house. And it has a lithium-ion battery and it lets you clean longer and it charges faster and it remains full power from start to finish. 'Tis the season for cleaning out the fridge multiple times during the holidays. I like to clean out anything that's expired or no good and give the shelves a good wipe down. And then I'll do the same for my glass cooktop. For me, I feel like if my stovetop has burnt on foods, I feel like my entire kitchen is just dirty. I don't know, do you guys feel that way too? I like to have a nice, clean, shiny cooktop. This is a scraper tool that I use for my cooktop. It may look like I'm being rough with it, but really I'm not. I'm scraping off the burnt on foods, and I'll use the handheld option on the Hoover 1-Power Blade to pick up the dust. Traditions. In our home, we have a repeated tradition to gather everyone together at the same time, which isn't the most easiest thing to do, but we do have a secret weapon that will guarantee a nice turnout, and that's having a crab boil. Many of you know that we love doing this the day before Thanksgiving or even sometimes before Christmas, but doing these crab boils mean a lot to us. It will not only strengthen your family bond, it will also give your family comfort and security, and you're making memories, and it gives your family something to look forward to. A natural light decor element, which is this beautiful garland and this over-the-table rod to hang the garland and the lights on. I purposely went with a full garland for substance, and you can get this from Hobby Lobby. The rod comes with clamps to position it securely on either side of the table. It truly gives you a huge impact with effortless decorating. It's only fitting that I add these mini glass lanterns. Hobby Lobby had so many choices to choose from to hang these lanterns on top of my table rod. Now, since the color scheme is basically neutrals, I chose these clear lanterns and added battery-operated votive candles inside. In keeping with the casual theme, I thought these faux leather napkin rings looked great with the black napkins, then added this greenery, which is actually mini wreath ornaments. Pack up 3 for $3 for that whimsical look, and everything is from Target. Normally, you would use lots of newspaper to complement your seafood boil vibe, but you guys already know I'm extra. Instead of having it all over the table, we usually use this pan that my husband got specially made in his hometown. We actually have two, a very large one and this one for smaller crowds. I got a pack of 8 washcloths for under $3 at Walmart, and I'm rolling them up nicely to place inside the bowl for our guests to use. I'm slicing some lemon because lemon juice helps to remove the crab smell and the stickiness from your skin, and guests can turn on the hot water with the cloth and squeeze some of that lemon all over their hands. And I placed the bowl next to the outdoor sink and left another bowl for dirty cloths. Hope this has inspired you in some way to spend more time with your loved ones and close friends. Be sure to go to hoover.com where the fun never stops and check out their different deals and bundles. I'll be sure to leave their link down below, and I want to thank you all for watching.